Hi, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to show you how to create a Big Mac paragraph. So I'm going to break down the different parts of the paragraph. As you know, with a Big Mac, you start with your words, bread, then there's some source material, which is meat. Then you follow that with your words again, more bread. Then that is followed by more source material, which is meat. And then the bottom layer is bread, which is your words ending the paragraph. So let me break this down for you. We'll start with the top bread, which is here. So let's just make that yellow. What you can see is that I have an opening sentence, sort of a topic sentence for the paragraph. Then I have a signal phrase here to lead into the meat. So it says, in introductory essay, Janet Phillips argues. Notice that I have the title of the article, the full name of the writer, and a strong verb here, something other than writes or says, so that it has a little bit more power to it. All right, so this is the opening, introducing the topic, introducing the source material with the signal phrase. Secondly here, we have some meat. Less misery does not necessarily mean more happiness. So this is a quotation, and we're going to follow that up with a bit more bread until we get to the next quotation. So the goal of this bread is to react to the quotation or the whatever source material you have in there, react to that, break down the meaning a little bit, and then shift, at this point, shift to the next quotation or the next piece of source material. Notice that when I do shift, I have a transition word here that is helpful to make that shift. And then I have another signal phrase. That is followed again by another quotation, which is source material, meat. And then the very end of the paragraph is more bread. So here again is my word. So I'm going to react to this particular quotation. And then at the very end, I'm going to pull it all together. So everything from the whole paragraph, make all the connections and pull it all together. Sometimes using a transitional word like overall can signal that particular movement in your writing. So if you look at it in terms of colors, you can really see, you know, the yellow bread, the blue meat. It's probably a gross sandwich, but you can see how my words are much greater than the quotation. So we have a lot of analysis, introduction, context, transitions to make this seem very smooth, even though I'm putting other people's ideas in the middle of my writing. So I hope this was helpful, and good luck with your Big Mac.